Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the header or footer where page numbers live. Double-click the top or bottom of the page. This activates the header/footer tools. Once done, glance at the Design tab. Make sure you spot options like different first page or different odd and even, because these affect where numbers appear. Then locate the actual page number field or the page number button on the ribbon. This is the control you will use to remove numbers, so don't close the header yet. You now decide whether to remove all page numbers or specific ones. For a blanket removal, choose page number, then remove page numbers. Word deletes fields across the document. If you need precision, click a number in the header/footer and press delete to remove just that instance. If sections behave differently, check link to previous. Turn it off to break connection between sections, so removing a number in one section does not affect others. This is why section linking matters. You finish by closing the header/footer. Click Close Header and Footer or press ESC. Then verify page numbers are gone from print layout. Prints will reflect what you see. If numbers persist, show formatting marks and look for manual page number fields or text boxes. Delete those. Also, inspect section breaks in draft view. If a section retained its own numbering, unlink it and remove numbers there. A final save ensures changes persist, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.